this. I just woke up. It's like 11 o'clock. And look at what I see from my window. 4 little birds in my window. My bad. Just fucking woke up. Still tired. Bad bro. They're so cute. They're shitting. Well, they've been shitting. It's pretty. So we actually just see their asses. Their bum. They're like turned over. Well, you can see the one on the extreme, what is it, left? Can still see him a little bit, see? Now they're communicating. There were 4, but now there's 3. So cute. So adorable. And I really think this summer I'm gonna... Not even this summer, when this snow is gonna get the hell out. I'm gonna build a small little house for this. For them. Genre une mangeoire à oiseaux pour qu'ils mangent avec des petites graines. Small little grains. I'm gonna eat seeds. I'm gonna put in a little basket. Oh, bye. One left. I'm gonna hang a little basket there, dangling. And they're gonna come and eat and fly away. Be happy. Have a good day. Because they're free. They're not enslaved. Here he goes. He came back. Another one. 4 of them on the roof. Shit, they're squishy. Oh, one left. Okay. Only 3 places available on that roof. It's what? VIP, bro? Alright, guys. I'ma just let you guys go. Because I just wanted to make you guys see those beautiful birds that I have the chance to wake up to. So yeah, it's truly a blessing, and I'm crying. No, it's like, it's just a tear when you wake up. I tear up because it's so beautiful. Life. You should fucking tear up every morning when you wake up, but that's a whole nother fucking subject and another topic for another day. But yeah,